guys, what's up? Nika's right here. Welcome back to my Roblox channel. And I'm gonna play is my favorite game, Adopt Me. So let's just play it now. Okay, I'm gonna press start and I will be I'm gonna be a baby. That's why not. So as you see, like why is right now glitching? Guys, it's glitching! Guys, why is it glitching? I think it's not glitching, but why this thing is glitching? Come on. Hello, why is it glitching? Okay, I think I'm just gonna unlock it. Unlock it first. Oh, unlock, not unlock it. So I was thinking, this is my bed. And this is my bed. So let's just go now. Oh wait, how to get out? Okay, I just exit home. Okay guys, I just get off here. What is happening there? Guys, I don't know. Oh my god. What is that? I don't know what is that. Did we go to the exit? Guys, I'm super scared. How do we do this? I have no idea. This is kind of creepy. So, there's no really sound. I can just hear my footsteps, but not the sound. What's happening? Oh, hello. Okay, I want to join my family. Hello, please join my family. Guys, how do I do this? Guys, how do I do this? I don't even know. Let's see. If we just like go to like set character and let's see if this is gonna back. Okay guys, I'm gonna be right back if I already see if that's literally work. It just have a sound now. Yay! And I changed my name because my name is kind of like not good. So I just changed my name to Monica. And honestly, I can Korean like 안녕하세요, 감사합니다. So I can Spanish just a little bit. So I'm just gonna dress up again and let's do my Spanish. Okay, Monica. I love animals. Okay guys, I'm literally done now. Yay! So let's just go. Oh, wait a minute. What? Why is that not A? How about I just say Monica? Monica. Love animals. Is that gonna work? I hope. Yes. That really works. So I'm gonna go someone's house. Where do we go? I think I'm gonna go to this blue one because I have something. So let's just go. I mean, why not we just go? Okay. You know what I mean, guys? Let's just go. Oh, I hope. So, as my doing today, I'm gonna do all my stuff that I need to do, and I'm gonna make a part 2 in this thing. And what I'm gonna say now? And the second one that I'm gonna do is be a parent and take care of my queen penguin. You know what I mean? So as you see, I'm on this house. Where is the bedroom of this woman? I don't know if this woman or boy or just a kid boy or just a kid girl, or this is the family house. I don't know. So comment down below. Is this a kid? Is this a kid house? Is this a parent's house? Or this is a family house? Comment down below, guys. So I'm just gonna go over here. Ooh! Oh, this stuff is kinda not good enough for me because this is cute. Oh, I don't want to switch over here, but I'm done sleeping. Okay. So as you see, I will find the bathroom. What is wait? Don't tell me this is secret. Oh God, it's a secret. Oh my God, I just jumped. God. Oh wait. If I jump, I need to just do like this. Guys, I'm out, and this is the secret. Oh my God, what is this? Guys, I have no idea. Oh my God, I'm gonna fall. Guys, I don't know what is this. Look, guys, it's on the app. Wow, that's pretty cool. But how to? Oh no, I hope I didn't die. I don't wanna die. Okay, let's go back. Oh. Okay, let's just go sit over here. Sit. Come on, sit and sit. You guys, I already made it out. That's so scary. And I almost fell out of the map, but I didn't fall out. So, as usually, as that, I'm not dead. That's so cool. Okay, I'm talking super loud. Okay. Okay. So, where do we go? I have no idea. So, I was thinking we can go somewhere. But where? So, we need to go to hamster, but I'm bored to go to the house. So, I just said I need to do all my needs. So let's just go to the hot spring. This is pretty so low. I need to get my no, I need oh, to say hi. Okay. Let's go! Whee! Oh my God, it's so scary. So what do I do, guys? This is so boring. Comment down below to the part 3 or part 2 or part 2. Do I need that? At the part 2, I'm gonna just save it for that. But on the part 3, I think I'm gonna make a part 3. So comment down below, should I make a part 3, part 4, or anything that you like. Oh, where do I have to go? Oh, hot spring. So I need to get my food. Do I have something over here? Pizza. Oh my God, everything is good. Do I have a lemon? Okay, let's just type lemon. Is there something? Nope, no lemon. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm on the hot spring and I need to go in here. I have no. Oh, I just want to do that. Okay. This is stressing me out. This is kinda stressing me out. That's kinda scary. I'm just kidding. That's scary, really. So ask you. Oh my God! How dare you? How dare you? Who dares you to do like that? Oh my god. That's so rude. I'm not difficult. Oh my god. What's happening? What is this? Hello. Hello. Oh, you don't want to drive me? Hello. Oh my god. Yay, guys. I'm on the car. So, I'm gonna change my name to like, it's just kind of boring. So my name is gonna be Monica, and I have a really cool name. How about we just do like Monica, and the second one that I will put is and rainbow, Monica Rainbow. You know what I mean? Or just man, Monica Rainbow. Bow R is that V, no, and V Sarah. Is that cool, guys? I have no idea, but we will go for that. I mean, that's pretty cool, I bet. Dude, this just looks very cool. Miss Monica Rainbow V Sarah. I hope you like this name. So I don't know what should I do to this name, but I was thinking. Oh no, it's 11:30. Guys, I need to end the video right here. Okay, guys. Wait a minute. So guys, I hope you liked it, and if you did, smash that like button, and we will see tomorrow or the next video. And please comment down below if you want a part 2, part 4, part 5. Goodbye. See you on the part 2.